In this episode of Farm Life Chronicles, a cheerful farmer greets dawn and wrangles a wary goat with coffee. A muddy fence and muddy boots test teamwork as the crew repairs while hens parade and noses twitch. Rain turns irrigation into a puzzle about valves and careful counts, saving a tomato patch and a lonely cucumber. A young helper writes a note about kindness, and the barn fills with warm light and quiet pride. Sunset settles, animals sigh contentedly, and the farmer closes the day with gratitude and a shared joke.